I've been exploring the Illinois Lottery official app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Illinois Lottery app is designed for adults in Illinois who want a convenient way to buy tickets, check results, and manage lottery play from their phone. It brings much of the in-store experience into a single mobile hub, which is handy if you play regularly and prefer not to visit retailers every time. Core features focus on everyday use. You can purchase popular games like Powerball, Mega Millions, Lotto, Lucky Day Lotto, Pick 3, Pick 4, Fast Play, and the new Hot Ones game, as well as scan both draw and instant tickets to see if you have won. The app also lets you watch Hot Ones draws live, get alerts for jackpots and winning numbers, and receive automatic deposits for smaller prizes up to $600, which makes routine play and claiming wins feel streamlined. Many users appreciate that it centralizes checking results, managing deposit limits, and exploring new games in one place. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers report problems logging in, losing easy fingerprint access after updates, or occasionally needing to reboot their phone when the app throws error messages such as generic 500 errors. Others mention earlier location and scanner issues that often turned out to be related to device settings but still created confusion and frustration until resolved. On the positive side, the overall rating is very high at 4.8 out of 5 with a large number of ratings. And many players say that once their settings are configured correctly, the app generally works smoothly for ticket scanning and purchases. Overall, this is a solid choice if you value convenience, like managing your Illinois lottery play digitally, and are comfortable adjusting phone settings to keep things working reliably. It is best suited to frequent or at least regular players who live in Illinois and want quick access to games and results, while those who dislike occasional technical hiccups or troubleshooting may prefer sticking with traditional in-store play. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.